So hi everyone. Today we are going to work on this Leetcode problem number 100, same tree problem, in which we'll have to figure out if the given two trees are identical in structure or not. So to do this, it's a really simple and straightforward problem in which you'll have to just simply traverse each node one by one and have to map with or have to check with the other tree if both the nodes are equal, like the value of these nodes are equal. Okay. So we already have this structure given to us for a tree node. It's gonna have a value, a left node, and a right node. So let's start the problem, and on the way I'll show you what exactly we are doing and what is the approach to solve this. So I'm gonna create a nested function for the traversal in the main given function is save tree, so that we don't have to share the variables again and again in this if needed. And in generally also, I opt for this particular approach. So in this function, I'm expecting two variables, like the current node from the P tree and the Q tree. So let's say the tree on your left is named as P, and on the right is named as Q. Okay. So first of all, we have few basic conditions, which a termination condition I can say, which is if we reach to the point where both the nodes are null, which means that we have traversed through the tree completely, and at the both trees or at the both node we are at null pointer. Okay. In that case, I would like to say that okay, I have traversed the tree, and as of now, for a particular, let's say, branch, this is a branch. Let's say for this branch, the tree was identical. Okay. So how I can say that is if not of P node and not of Q node, I will return true. So basically, just to put up a comment over here, not of none is equals to true. Okay. Similarly, the next condition is, let's say in one of the trees we reached to the end node, but there was you know uh, other remaining nodes at the other part of the tree. Okay. In those cases, I would say no, this is not a symmetrical structure we have. So to do that, what I'm gonna do is let's check for one every time, like let's check in a tree every time, and we can return false on the basis of that, right? So we did this, and what I'm going to do is, like, I'm going to use this function as a recursive function for the code. And what I'm checking is we do want to check the values of these nodes at each level, and each node, for example, 1 is equals to 1, 2 is equals to 2. So what I'm going to say is return. So these are going to be some boolean operations, basically, or boolean checks, you can say. So what this is going to give you is, like, if the value of this node, P node, and the Q node is equal, it's going to return a true, right? And what I want to do is I want to recursively check for all the nodes at the left and all the nodes at the right, right? For that, we will do something like this. So we are done for the left part, and similarly, like, we can copy the same and use for the right subtree as well. Okay. And at the last, we just have to call this nested function with our given input trees. Okay. Okay, so the test cases got successfully passed. Submit the answer and let's see. Yep, awesome. uh, we successfully complete the problem and it got accepted. So thanks a ton guys for watching the video, and stay tuned for upcoming videos as well. Thank you.